Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on DENT token. In today's video, I want to talk about this very big down channel, and we will also take a look at this very big support as well. And we will also watch this inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And I also want to discuss this very big bullish harmonic reversal move that DENT token has formed on the weekly time frame. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 3rd of Feb, and the price line completed the final leg of a bullish harmonic reversal guardlay move on the weekly time frame. Our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, are from 0.0053, approximately half cent, and goes to $0.0076. Now, if I play the chart, then we can see that the price line is still moving inside this buying zone. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, this is the live daily time frame chart, then we can see that the price line is moving inside this down channel since October 2021. So far, we are not able to break it out. But here we have a very strong support at $0.0022. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here from $0.0022 to $0.0013 is a very strong support zone. And whenever the price line enters this support zone, it starts big moves from here. First, we were rejected by this zone. At that time, it was working as a resistance back in Feb 2021, and after this rejection, we broke it out. We had a big rally that was more than 900% move. Then we again tested, moved up, again tested, and now we are likely to move up from here. But unless the price line will not break out this very big resistance of the channel, the big move won't be started. Therefore, we can wait for the breakout from this down channel as well. Now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart from here, then we can see on the 4-hourly time frame, on the small time frame, we have this inverse head and shoulder pattern formation. Right now, the price line has broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the target for this pattern can be, if I place the trend line from this head to neckline and place it at the breakout point, the target can be $0.0031. And if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here on this channel, then we can see it is showing us the projection here approximately up to resistance of this channel. Therefore, we can expect a breakout once the price line will break out the resistance of this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. It can also break out the resistance of this channel. The final target for this channel can be here at the top of the channel that we have approximately at $0.0078. That is also the final target of this harmonic reversal setup, that is $0.0076, very close to that target as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.